we're at the Old Courthouse in Kyneton, where this tree has fallen. Well, not the tree, branch broke off, and the branch had a beehive in it. So bits of comb and whatnot on the ground. More there, but bulk of it is still in the tree, and with all the bees in the tree, so this will be fun. Okay, I've been bee vacuuming. I've cleaned up most of what's on the ground. Bees robbing it out and whatnot. Cleaned up what's in that part of the tree. The bees are actually quite defensive, but that's understandable. And if the council had told me it was so far up, I would have brought a scaffolding. But anyway, it's all kind of good. Before, when I was up here, they were over me like no tomorrow. Now I'm videoing, they're not. But anyway, I'll start bee vacuuming. Clean up what I can, save what I can, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we're still working on this. Thankfully it doesn't go too deep, it pretty much stops just there. Okay, so I've cut everything out, and there's waste and whatnot down on the bottom area. Haven't got the queen, got all that kind as well. Samples bed because not being able to be heated by the bees. It's quite a big hive. So I'm going to have to come back tonight, let the bees cluster up, because we're getting so many robber bees now. It's just crazy vacuuming robber bees and the hive bees, whereas the robber bees will return to their hive tonight. It's a little frustrating, but we might also give them time to clean up all this honey. Okay, so this is the second emergency cutout today. Here we see hive there, and the rest of the hive down here. Down here's been abandoned pretty much. It's just getting robbed out at the moment. I'll worry about that second. But we'll focus on the first part first. Up there and up there. Exciting times. Okay, so we've done most of up there, worked our way down, got to about there, and then we actually, as you can see, there's cut lines. We had to cut because there was no way we were getting to it, the rest of it. We've got Frank with us at the moment. Frank's the pest controller that gives us some of these jobs. So yeah, exciting times. So it's been a big one. Okay, so let's see, that was quite a hollow. Huge majority of the bees are gone.